NCF!
Welcome to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated,
where academic excellence meets limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field.
Our school has 1,236 solar light panels installed.
This groundbreaking venture reduces our electricity expenses by 45%.
Here at NCF Wings, you are a step closer to your dream of becoming a flight attendant.
This is the first cabin crew training in Bucal. But at the heart of it all is the newly constructed College of Criminal Justice Education building.
The Naga College Foundation Incorporated is one of the 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission in Higher Education as the Center of Development in Criminology. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate interactive learning,
Strategically designed to support collaborative discussion and critical thinking. This building is home to Bucal's first world-class indoor firing range,
which provides our students first-hand training in ensuring that they are proficient in firearm safety and marksmanship.
from crime scene simulation laboratories to forensic science facilities.
NCF-CCJE has a wide range of specialized resources to prepare its students for various career opportunities in criminal justice.
Unlock your potential today. Join us as we leap into the future.
Join the Naga College Foundation College of Criminal Justice Education.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject in TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon. At I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for Naga College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip flight vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Hello, NCF!
Welcome to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated.
Where academic excellence meet limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field.
Our school has 1,236 solar light panels installed.
This groundbreaking venture reduces our electricity expenses by 45%.
Here at NCF Wings, you are a step closer to your dream of becoming a flight attendant.
This is the first cabin crew training in Bucal. But at the heart of it all is the newly constructed College of Criminal Justice Education building.
The Naga College Foundation Incorporated is one of the 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission in Higher Education as the Center of Development in Criminology. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate interactive learning.
strategically designed to support collaborative discussion and critical thinking. This building is home to Bucal's first world-class indoor firing range,
which provides our students first-hand training in ensuring that they are proficient in firearm safety and marksmanship.
From crime scene simulation laboratories to forensic science facilities,
NCS-CCJE has a wide range of specialized resources to prepare its students for various career opportunities in criminal justice.
Unlock your potential today. Join us as we leap into the future.
Join the Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject.
We are back again for the finals game 2 of the Camarines Norte State College versus the NCF Lady Tigers. At ngayon po, isang game na nga ang nakuha ng NCF Tigers, kaya ngayong hapon malalaman na natin kung makukuha nga ba nila ang kampyonato for our women's basketball or the CNSC Red Stallions kung kunin ang panalo ngayong hapon at mag-extend pa ang laban na ito. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanza Reyes and with me is Rick Cuata na maghahati sa inyo ng mainit-init na aksyon. Dito lang yan.
Ayan, nasabi mo nga mainit-init ang bakbakan between these two teams kasi the most awaited part of this afternoon is our championship matchup between the CNSC and the NCF Tiger. Will the NCF Tiger get their first championship here in Bucal, or will the CNSC as well makukuha ang una nilang kampyonato dito sa ligang ito? So yan ang aabangan natin only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and also live tayo dito sa loob ng CNTV-Naga Gymnasium. So tutok lamang guys sa mga susunod pang mangyayari at naabangan natin ngayong hapon na ito kung sino ang mananalo.
Kaya naman, Rick, kaabang-abang talaga ang magiging laban ng dalawang koponan na ito, the CNSC versus the NCF. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang ating live viewers sa ating mga Facebook Live. We have the Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Bucal Facebook page. And of course, sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng ating Neo Gymnasium. Kaya maraming salamat.
Ayan, thank you so much po sa mga nakatutok sa atin live, sa ating mga live coverage. And also dito sa loob ng CNTV-Naga Gymnasium na talagang kanina pang pumunta dito up until now, sumusuporta pa at gustong manood ng mga laro dito sa hapon na ito. Now, CNSC and NCF, two great teams, and di pala natin na-mention na first time magkaroon ng women's division when it comes to basketball dito sa Bucal. So that's why very interesting makita ang mga iba't ibang teams na nag-participate.
Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions versus Naga College Foundation Tigers. NCF leading 1 against Camarines Norte State College. Introducing the protagonists for both teams, starting with Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions. Jersey number 29, Deborah Teves. Jersey number 0, Sofia May Cabarle. Jersey number 16, season MVP, Lorica Ricknim. Jersey number 26, Mary Joy Robas. Jersey number 3, Princess Samudio. Jersey number 18, Riza May Barnuevo. Jersey number 28, Rani May Rodriguez. Jersey number 12, Daniela Calpe. Jersey number 25, Ashley Nicolette Avancena. Jersey number 14, Erica Senita. And jersey number 30, Roxanne Joy Carillo. Head coach, Mary Grace Balane. Assistant coach, John Jerick Bibing. Introducing the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Jersey number 28, Roseanne Abiog. Jersey number 1, Patricia Jane Balformoso. Jersey number 7, Kate Nicole Antanganan. Jersey number 14, Ronaldin Dahita. Jersey number 24, Jamil Espiritu. Jersey number 3, Irish Faye Pabay. Jersey number 13, Jane Tricia Isidro. Jersey number 2, Crystal Hannah Jeremias. Jersey number 16, Monette Lagardo. Jersey number 18, Joy Perez. Jersey number 6, John Rejalde. Jersey number 11, Alexandra Relos. Jersey number 5, Rachel Sapenosa. Jersey number 22, Danica Maysegi. And jersey number 12, Joy Suarez. Head coach, Shri Brian Lucido. Assistant coach, Mac Lazaro, Kyle Marilla, and Brian Ayo. Players and coaches, shake hands. Good luck to both teams.
Ayan, nakilala na nga
Our
natin
first for this match.
ang mga players
Inday
para
Orseno.
sa dalawang kupunan. And so excited kung ano bang ipapamalas nitong dalawang kupunan nito ngayong araw na ito.
Yes, of course, it's the finals game too, kaya talagang doble ang magiging effort ng dalawang kupunan ito, most especially on the side of the CNSC dahil nga one team advantage na ang meron ng NCF Tigers. So this afternoon will be a deciding game whether it's the NCF Tigers taking home the championship or the CNSC grabbing a game and extending this series to get the championship for our women's basketball. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start the finals game. The finals game 2 of the women's basketball. Now we have Teves, Robis, Reg Team, Avansanya, and jersey number 13 or 3 on the side of the CNSC. Abiog Suarez Espiritu for the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, jump ball muna tayo. First ball possession. Kanino kaya mapupunta? Now, first ball possession. Red Stallions on the run. Dragged him. No good for that first attempt. Now, NCF Tigers. Drag him, steal that ball. Now, passes. Jersey number 29. Now, 10 seconds to shoot. Ball will stay on the side of the Red Stallions. Stallions going inside, but a foul was whistled. Now Teves on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good for the first attempt. First basket for the side of the Red Stallions. No good. Now, Espirito with that rebound. Time for the NCF Tigers. Suarez running with the ball. Now going inside. No good.
Ball possession ngayon ng CNSC Red Stallion. Great pass and great point conversion. Samahan pa yan dito ng foul. Now jersey number 3 on that free throw line for an opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan.
No NCF Tigers. 4-0, nothing run. Suarez passes on the corner for 3. That's good. First basket for the side of the NCF Tigers. Mainit na tres mula dito kay Jeremias. Now, CNSC. That's a traveling violation brought to you by Naga Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. NCF. Hermoso passes again to Jeremias. Jeremias, no jump. In and out ball. Offensive rebound. NCF getting that point again.
And change favor tayo ngayon. NCF ang may hawak ng kalamangan now. Jersey number 26 tries for that. No good. Great rebound on the side of the Tigers. Now, out of bounds ball. So chance again for the CNSC squad to get a score. And an early substitution on the side of Red Stallion.
No. Ball possession ngayon ng Red Stallions. Blocked by the NCF Tigers. Suarez going for a layup. No good. Rebound to the Red Stallions. Now, steal again. Jeremias coming on the way. Good pass. Now, guys, for 3 again. No good.
Now, CNSC ball possession. And a whistle coming from our referee. So matatawagan ng foul si jersey number 2, Jeremias on the side of NCF Tigers.
Now NCF ball possession. Espirito passes to Balimoso. Going in. No good. So now, Valfermoso. Valfermoso. Espirito was good. They're still on the lead. Now for the second try on the free throw line, Valfermoso. No good.
Rebound on the side of the CNSC Red Stallion. This is number 16. Makakakuha nga si jersey number 1 ng penalty. First personal foul. May bibigay kay jersey number 1 ng Tigers. Now free throw on the side of the Red Stallion. No good on that first attempt. Let's see on this second attempt kung makakakuha ba ng puntos. Again, no good. NCF basketball.
Suarez, back pass. But Hermoso now with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Suarez tries for a long three. Napakaganda. 5-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers on the first few minutes of our first quarter. Ball will stay on the side of the Red Stallions. Now, Red Stallions going inside. That's good. Para dito kay Robas. Now, NCF basketball. Van Hermoso. Again, Suarez. No good. Van Hermoso tries. Wala pa rin. Red Stallions on the run. Pregnant. Loses the ball, but still, it's a ball possession of the CNSC.
Foul was called on jersey number 7 sa side ng NCF Tigers. And one player of the Red Stallion is down. (9-6) on our scoreboard. The lead is on the side of the Tigers. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
One of the players of the CNSC Red Stallions is down. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Now let's see. Jersey number 0, Cabarle of the Red Stallions. So we hope that she's okay. But on the free throw line, Teves. First free throw was good. Now she will try another. 7-9. Now rebound by the NCF Tigers. Van Hermoso. Passes on the corner. Steal for the Red Stallions. Now 18 seconds to shoot. And that's good. It's right on the defense of the NCF. Now Van Hermoso got with the ball. Passes to Suarez. Now Suarez on the inside, wrong person. Napatawa ng bola.
NCF basketball. No good for that attempt. They're outside of a time. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para sa unang quarter natin. Great steal coming from the Tigers. 2 points para dito sa NCF, courtesy of jersey number 2. Another steal, but a wasted opportunity on the side of Tigers now. Chance for for the Red Stallion here to bounce back and score. Another steal. What a great defense for both teams. But a traveling violation was called on the player of the NCF Tigers. Again, traveling violation is brought to us by Naga Travel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories. Back to the ball game now. Red Stallion ball possession. And a foul was called on jersey number 13 para sa Tigers. Magpapatawagan ng timeout dito ang Pang Norte. Sa bante dito ang NCF Tigers, ano kayang gagawin nilang strategy para mahabol ito at malamangan ang kanilang kalaban. Now, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audiences here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium na nagpapaganda pala ng laro.
Now 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in our first quarter. 9-11 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Now let's see. Ngayon nawala yung isang player ng ating Red Stallions na si Caberle. Ano kaya yung maging adjustment nila dito to strengthen their defense as well as the offense? We also would like to thank our sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Havaianas, and Bigs. Now back to the ball game with NCF with a 2-point lead. No good for that first free throw of Regnim, but he will try again for the second time. That's good. Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Spirito to Jeremias. Now passes going inside. To other corner, Jeremias. No good. Offensive rebound. So there's still a ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Jeremias now to inbound. Passes. No good.
CNSC basketball. Now, jersey number 26. Tries for that three. No good. Rebound on the side of the Tigers. Great steal coming from our season's MVP.
Now, again, Regnim will be on the free throw line. NCF is now on the penalty. Regnim, our season's MVP for this year's Bucal women's basketball. First free throw was good. Let's see. Defensive rebound for the CNSC, but another foul was whistled. This time, jersey number 3 on the line for 2 shots. Zamudio. In basket. They will try again for the second time. No good this time. Now rebound for the NCF. But Hermoso tries. No good. That's a rebound. Spirito. Pass to Abiog. And Abiog now to try. But Hermoso, 5 seconds to shoot. Perez for 3. No good. Regnim blocked by Espirito. But the ball will stay out of side of the Red Stallions.
Jersey number 29 to inbound. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Cam Norte. Now, NCF Tigers. Great pass. Tries for that three. It was good. Now, Cam Norte, basketball right now. There's number 29 looking for her teammates. Tries for that deep three. No good.
Last 31 seconds of our first quarter. 12-14, 2-point lead. Now NCF tries again for three. No good this time. One more time. Espirito with an offensive rebound. Pero will be a turnover on the side of the Red Stallions. Last 13 seconds of our first quarter. Ropas passes to Teves. 5 seconds to shoot. Tries for three. No good. And that's it. That's the end of our first quarter. 12-14 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Back to the second quarter of the game. At the Rockets Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject in TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon, at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with.
We are back for our second quarter. It's the finals game 2 of the CNSC Red Stallions and NCF Tigers. 12-14. Now ball possession of the Red Stallions. Robas. Passes to Teves. On the rectum. Rectum with 10 seconds to shoot. Tries for three.
NCF basketball, jersey number 1. Magdadala ngayon ng bola. Chance for the CNSC. Red Stallion here to score. Rebound on the side of the Tigers. Jersey number 18. looking for her teammates. Passes jersey number 1. Offensive rebound. Now there's number 11. Tries for that 3 at nakakakuha nga ng puntos on that last sequence now. Red Stallion. May hawak ngayon ang bola. Jersey number 26. Chooses jersey number 3. What a great pass and a great point conversion on the side of Cam Norte sa last play na yon. Now, jersey number 1. Itatawid ang bola para dito sa NCF Tigers. Jersey number 18, tatawagan ng foul dito. So, the ball will go on the side of the Red Stallion.
Now Red Stallions ball possession. Robust now. Going inside. Ball possession is still on the side of the CNSC. 14 seconds to shoot. No. Redmond with 8 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good. Steal. Now Davis. Never recorded. Now NCF Tigers with the ball possession. Perez. Tries for 3. That's good. Para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now, Regnim. Umawi ang managad para dito sa ating Red Stallions.
NCF basketball, but a great steal on the side of the Red Stallion. What a great play coming from our season's MVP, jersey number 16.
Now we are only down to 2 point lead of the NCF Tigers. Right now, for the NCF Tigers, Mount Hermoso, umuulan ng 3 on the side of the NCF. Back to 5-point lead. Now Regdim. Tries. No good. Now NCF. 20 seconds to shoot. Hindi ka na mawala. Now passes on the corner. For 3. Davis. Babawi ng 3. Medyo nagmamadala dito ang mga players ng CNSC and NCF. Now Mount Hermoso. 14 seconds to shoot. Going inside. Almost to sip. Once again, no good. The timeout was called on the side of the Marinas Norte State College, 18-23, a 5-point lead in favor of the NCF Tigers with a remaining time of 5 minutes and 51 seconds now. Napakaganda ng mga thrust na binibitawan dito ng NCF, but on the other side, hindi din naman napapatalo itong ating Red Stallions. So let's see, as we are halfway through our second quarter, what will be the adjustment of these both teams to really show that they deserve to win this game this evening.
Ngayon mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Hannah Cheska, kay Aljan Adayo, kay Charlene Gonzalez, Joyce Gonzalez, and Joey May Gonzalez. Happy viewing po.
We're back on the ball game. 18-23 in favor of the NCF Tigers. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Red Stallion basketball. Jersey number 26. May hawak na yun ang bola. Looking for her teammates. Bantay sarado dito. Ang NCF players, but still, the ball is on their side. 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Now NCF ball possession. Relos passes to Jeremias. Now Jeremias with 17 seconds to shoot. What will they do now? Tries for 3. No good. Ball will remain on the side of the NCF Tigers.
The timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. 23-18 in favor of NCF Tigers. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
So yan, shoutout tayo sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay ng ating finals game 2 of our women's basketball between the Naga College Foundation Tigers and the Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook pages, Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lamang. But at this point, 18-23, a 5-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers.
Ayan. Back on the ball game. So kailangan dito magkaroon ng magandang communication ng players ng Red Stallion, and also magandang depensa nila, but on their offense medyo hindi nila nakukuha yung tamang rhythm para magbukas sila ng puntos. Now let's see kung ano ba ang gagawin nila dito para mahabol ang Tigers. Jersey number 11 tries for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound on the side of Tigers. Jersey number 1 this time makakakuha ng 3 points.
Ball possession of the Red Stallions. Lumalabang na nga ang NCF Tigers at this point now. 9 seconds to shoot for the CNSC. Teves going inside, but a whistle foul. Now, Teves for her second attempt. That's good.
NCF basketball. Jersey number 1 again. Offensive rebound. Pero andon ang player ng CNSC. Now, chance for the Tigers here to score. Jersey number 1 with that attempt, no good. But still, the ball is on the side of the Tigers. Another offensive rebound. Now, Red Stallion basketball. Again, whistle on the side of NCF Tigers. Another foul was called on Fabay, jersey number 3.
And again on the line. Regdem, first free throw was good. 20-26. No good. Na nagkakagawan dito. Massive rebound. Wala pa rin. Regdem again. That's good this time. Now, only 3 points. Malamangan dito ng NCF Tigers with the remaining time of 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Now, Stallions have a chance here to lessen the gap. Teves, pass to Regdem. Now, Regdem going inside. No good. Bye-bye with that rebound. Valtermoso on the inside. No good. That's a rebound. NCF tries for 3. No good. Now, Red Stallions. Regdem. Teves ngayon. Tries for 3. No good. Jeremias. Good assist. Jeremias and Valtermoso with that connection. Red Stallions wanting to get on the lead, but a miscommunication on their side. And the substitution, Espirito and Perez or Suarez will be back on court and exchange of Jeremias. And Avansanya will be going in. Now Suarez. Guys for a dip 3. No good. Defensive rebound. Relos again to try. Wala pa rin. For the 3rd time, Espirito. Now Espirito. Good. Not first step. She will try again for the 2nd time. Not good. Now Red Stallions. Blocked by the players of the NCF Tigers. Now Suarez di derecho, passes to Espirito. Now. No good. Mid-range jumper, still no good. But at this time, the foul was whistled. Relos will be on the free throw line for 2 shots.
CNSC, rather NCF with that rebound. Now CNSC basketball. Regnim ang may hawak ng bola. Teves will will try and that long three, no good.
Also, pass on the inside. That's good. Napakagandang assist and communication. Now CNSC Red Stallions with the last 48 seconds of the second quarter. Going inside. Napakaganda good. Bola dito. Kay Rubas. About Hermoso. Suarez ngayon may hawak ng bola on the inside. Tudas. So the ball will go on the side of the CNSC. Last 23 seconds of the second quarter.
NCF Tigers on the offense. Relos to inbound. 15 seconds remaining. 1 hour, second quarter. And another 3 points coming from the NCF Tigers. What a great 3 points to end this second quarter. 33-25 on our scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Hello, NCF!
Welcome to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated.
Where academic excellence meets limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field.
Our school has 1,236 solar light panels installed.
This groundbreaking venture reduces our electricity expenses by 45%.
Here at NCF Wings, you are a step closer to your dream of becoming a flight attendant.
This is the first cabin crew training in Bucal. But at the heart of it all is the newly constructed College of Criminal Justice Education building.
The Naga College Foundation Incorporated is one of the 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission in Higher Education as the Center of Development in Criminology. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate interactive learning,
Strategically designed to support collaborative discussion and critical thinking. This building is home to Bucal's first world-class indoor firing range,
which provides our students first-hand training in ensuring that they are proficient in firearm safety and marksmanship.
From crime scene simulation laboratories to forensic science facilities.
NCSC has a wide range of specialized resources to prepare its students for various career opportunities in criminal justice.
Unlock your potential today. Join us as we leap into the future.
Join the Naga College Foundation College of Criminal Justice Education.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject in TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon, at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but
Red Stallion basketball. Jersey number 16 to inbound. Teves on that free throw line and a free throw opportunity on the side of Red Stallion. First basket was good. Another basket para dito kay Teves. Let's see kung makakakuha siya dito ng 3 points. And then yeah, 3 points was added on the side of the Norte, courtesy of Teves. Now, jersey number 1, jersey number 2 rather, with the ball on the side of the Tigers. What a great steal! And now Teves, libre. Teves to inbound para dito sa Norte. Seconds to shoot para dito sa Red Stallion, and a great steal coming from the Tigers. Erenias to Segi, no good. Teves. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Teves tries for 3. No good. NCF with a rebound. 10 seconds remaining on our third quarter. 5 seconds. That's it. That's the end of our third quarter. 47-37 in favor of NCF. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating final quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Hello, NCF!
Welcome to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated.
Where academic excellence meets limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip
for
them with the
our
skills
fourth and final quarter, 47-37 on our scoreboard. The lead is on the side of the NCF Tigers.
here for a three. No good. This is a decision quarter of the game. Will it be the NCF Tigers stepping their champion or the CNSC? Now, Merenias on the inside. No good. The ball will go on the side of the Red Stallions.
See number 16 to inbound.
It's the ball possession of the NCL Tigers dito sa ating fourth quarter. No good for that three. Now offensive rebound pero foul was whistled. Red Stallions basketball. 8 minutes and 27 seconds for our last quarter. Now, Redden with the ball. With 18 seconds to shoot. Passes now. Robas, papasok, pass. That's good. Napakaganda dun. Now back to the 10-point lead.
Offensive rebound on the side of the Tigers. Substitution on the side of the Cam Norte Red Stallion.
Now, NCF's basketball. Espirito having the ball for the NCF side. 10 seconds to shoot. Now go inside by Fermoso. But that's a champion violation brought to you by Nagayon. Travelers, Nagayon, live your dreams, great memories.
Of the Cam Norte.
Jersey number 29.
Now 7 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on our last quarter with just a 10-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. And now Suarez will be on the free throw line. First ball was good. Second attempt was also good. Now making it as a 12-point lead for the NCF Tigers.
Now Red Stallion to inbound. Teves tries for that three. No good. Foul was scored on jersey number 25 of Cam Norte. NCF basketball. Rebound by Cam Norte, jersey number 16. 2 Teves, and Teves tries for that lead, and Teves will get a score. Offensive rebound on the side of Tigers. Espiritu with that layup.
CNSC basketball. Teves, may hawak kayo ng bola. With 15 seconds to shoot. Teves for 3. No good. Now rebound for the NCF side. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining on our last quarter. Now Suarez di diretso. Pero the traveling violation is brought to you by Naga and Travel Tours. Naga, live your dreams, create memories. Now CNSC basketball. Teves. Tries for a long three. No good. Now rebound for the side of the NCF Tigers. Suarez ulit ang may hawak ng bola. Fires for three. That's good this time. Now Suarez, one of the key players of NCF. Now Rippin. Babawi ba dito ang ating Red Stallions? Let's see, Sir Rippin was heavily guarded here. Passes on the side. That's for three. No good. Wala pa rin. Now, NCF Tigers.
Rebound on the side of Cam Norte.
Now, the officiating officials are discussing whether it's the NCF's basketball or the CNSC. 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining on our time clock. And the ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. The timeout is called for the side of the CNSC Red Stallions. 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 42-56. Still on the lead ang ating NCF Tigers for this championship game 2.
Napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Cam Norte. 56-42 on our scoreboard. 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. And let's see kung makakahabol pa ba dito ang Cam Norte or will the NCF Tigers tuloy-tuloy na ang pag-arangkada para makuha ang kampeonato dito sa liga na to.
Yes, Rick. So let's see as we are halfway through our fourth quarter. And up until now, dito pa rin ang supporters ng CNSC as well as the NCF Tigers. So maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay nyo ng ating finals game 2. And we are back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
With 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining.
Ball possession. Davis with the ball. Great steal coming from jersey number 1. Back to back steal. Now Davis NCF basketball. Suarez to inbound. Now jersey number 1 itatawid ngayon ng bola on the side of Tigers. Offensive rebound. Now jersey number 1 tries for that one. No good. Rebound. Offensive rebound again. Point. Coming from Espiritu. 58-42 now the scoreboard. The lead is on the side of Tigers. Travis will try. Offensive rebound on the side of the Cam Norte. Now NCF basketball.
Red Stallions basketball. 15 seconds to shoot. The pass is on the inside. Oh, no good for that one. Now NCF. Just a few remaining time. Espiritu passes to Balfermoso. Now Sagi. For a mid-range jumper. Science basketball. Travis now handing the ball. We are now down. That's good. Napakaganda this. Dahil dito kay Travis. And we are on the last 2 minutes of the game. And still on the lead, ang aming NCF Tigers. Now, Sagi passes on the inside. Nabante Moso almost loses it. Good recovery. And the ball will go. On the side of the NCF with a foul.
Suarez to inbound para dito sa NCF Tigers. Balfermoso. Offensive rebound. Segi will try. Offensive rebound. From Norte. That's that ball. Davis with that point.
On the side of the Red Stallions. Now that's a good three coming from Balfermoso. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining on our time clock. 47-61 still in favor of the NCF Tigers, and at this point it will be hard for the side of the Red Stallions to recover, but let's see, will they lessen the gap against the NCF Tigers? I'd like to shout out to our live audience dito sa loob ng NCF. Dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Now we are back to the ball game. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining, 47-61. Now, 39 seconds remaining. Red Stallions basketball. Teves. Now tries for 3. No good. Now rebound for the NCF side. Now the last possession of the game. NCF gets championship for this season of Bucal. And that's it. The NCF Tigers was the champion of our women's basketball Bucal Season 5. And they get 47-65. And of course, we also congratulate the Camarines Norte State College as the first runner-up for this season of Bucal.
Babalikan natin mamaya dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium para sa ating best player of the game and our season's MVP. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Finals MVP rather, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Coach?
Sino po na first runner-up? First runner-up. First runner-up. Pa-settle down yung review.
To both teams, Camarines Norte State College and Naga College Foundation. May we invite the Bucal Execom to please proceed on the center court for the awarding ceremony. May we call on our first runner-up, the regional squad champions, Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions. Please give a round of applause to our first runner-up, Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions. Congratulations once again, Camarines Norte State College. May we now call on the reigning, defending champions and queens of the hardcourt, Bucal Season 5 Women's Basketball Tournament champions, the home of the champions and the home of the Tigers, Naga College Foundation Tigers. Please proceed on the center court to receive your medals and trophy. our Season 5 Finals MVP, averaging 15.5 points per game, 6.5 rebounds per game, 7 assists, 5 steals, and 2 blocks per game. It is none other than jersey number 12, Joyce Suarez. Miss Joyce Suarez, please receive your Finals MVP trophy. Congratulations, Joyce Suarez, Season 5 Finals MVP. Again, congratulations to the second runner-up, Partido State University Lady Bowlers. First runner-up, Camarines Norte State College Red Stallions. And Season 5 champions, Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, live into the future. Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game at sila ang Season 5 Bucal champion. Here with me is Finals MVP and our best player of the game, jersey number 12 with 13 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists, 6 steals, and 2 blocks. She is none other than Joyce Suarez. Hello, Joyce. How does it feel na sa muling pagbabalik ng Naga College Foundation sa Bucal, kayo muli ang kampiyon at nakuha ninyo ang 4-peat champion for Bucal?
Sobrang po sa pakiramdam kasi naka-scholarship po kami and nagkaroon po kami ng panibagong chance para makatulong kami sa parents namin and especially po sa akin kasi si mama na lang po yung may trabaho sa amin and siya na lang po din yung nagpapaaral sa amin. So, napakagandang opportunity po ito and thank you po sa pag-support ng coaches namin and also ni Press po. Yun.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan today, nakita ko yung preparation at yung sakripisyo mo for this game. Ano ba, at marami nanonood sa atin, ano ba yung naging personal preparations and mindset mo all throughout the game na nakatulong sa'yo?
Naging preparation po namin, hindi lang po sa akin, kundi ng team yung makinig sa mga turo ni coach and yung mga pinag-aaralan namin every training, dapat kung ano po yung pinagpagura namin sa training, dapat dalhin din po namin dito sa totoong laro kasi yun po yung totoong magpapapanalo sa amin.
At dahil marami ang nanonood sa atin, ano ba ang payo mo sa mga young athlete na gusto rin pasukin ang mundo ng basketball, kagaya mo?
Sa mga estudyante po na ng maging student athlete, wag po kayong mag-alinlangan na subukan yung maglaro kasi magkakaroon din kayo ng chance na bigyan na at may magkukuha din sa inyo ng coach. Kasi kung puro training at makikita yung galing nyo, yung ensayo, yung pagiging champion mindset ninyo, talagang kukunin din kayo ng coach.
At dahil Joyce ka ang ating best player of the game, pasalamatan at batiin mo na ang mga gusto mong batiin.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin, sa coaches namin, kay President, and kay Mama din po. Ma, ito yung sabi ko na tutulungan kita sa pagpapaaral sa sarili ko. Ito na po yun.
Thank you so much, Joyce, and congratulations.
Thank you po.
And there you have it, our finals MVP and the best player of the game, jersey number 12 of Naga College Foundation Lady Tigers, Joyce Suarez. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Team. That's our best player of the game, Suarez of the NCF Tigers. Again, congratulations dahil napakagandang laban po ang ipinakita nila against sa Camarines Norte State College. And of course, congratulations pa rin sa ating CNSC as the first runner-up of this season of Bucal para sa ating women's basketball.
Ayan, both teams show greatness inside this court. So abangan natin sa mga susunod pang season ng Bucal nito, kung sino ang mananalo at makakakuha ng championship sa Bucal. So yun lamang, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Canzares. Magsama-sama po muna tayo ulit sa mga susunod pang season ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Dito lang yan mapapanood sa Bucal Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV and One Media TV 48 Naga.